Lovely people, and welcome back to Yoga with Kate. I hope you're all fit and well. Namaste to you all. Welcome to today's class, which is Morning Yin. I've taken the Morning Yin class outside today. It's a glorious summer morning here in the UK. As always with Yin, it's about taking our time, feeling how our body feels, and just relaxing as much as we can. It's a great way of setting our day up with really good positive intentions. Right, without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to be starting our lovely morning yin class lying down in reclined cobbler's pose. So let's get into this posture. It's a lovely great one for the hips. So we're going to lie down. We're going to put the soles of our feet together. Let the knees just pop out to the side. Then we're just bending the elbows and facing the palms up towards the ceiling. So we're going to stay here for a couple of minutes. And we'll work on focusing on deepening that breath here. Nice deep breaths. Just release those shoulders. If your arms aren't comfortable, you can pop them down by your side. Do whatever is right for you. And just let gravity do the work with those knees. So in Yin Yoga, it's all about staying in the postures. Let your body just deepen and relax in them. So just staying there. Focus on your breath. Nice deep breaths. Breathing right into your tummy. Nice deep breaths. With each exhale, just feel those knees just pop out a little bit further towards the floor. Nice deep breaths. Okay, so we're going to pop the knees together. We're going to come up to seated. We're going to do a lovely wide triangle with our legs. Now, as always in a triangle, take hold of the fleshy part of your bottom and pull it back. We're extending the arms up to the ceiling and we're just coming forward and down. So just relax your feet here. If you wish for a bit more, you can flex those toes back and just stay here. Yet again, using your breath on the inhale, you can come up slightly. On the exhale, you should go forward and down just a little bit further. So yet again, another couple of minutes in this posture. Really works on the connective tissues in the body. And it's a great way to start the day. Nice deep breaths. And just let your body relax there when you deepen into the posture. Okay, so gently pushing yourself up with those hands. Here you're going to bend your right knee, popping that foot to the inside of the left thigh. We're extending the arms up to the ceiling, big stretch up. We're twisting over that left leg and we're coming forward and down. So if you can, you're resting your nose on your knee here and just stay there. Nice deep breaths. You should feel yourself deepening into the posture with each breath. Just release on down. Try and release every bit of tension in your body. And just focus on your breath. Okay, so gently push yourself up. We're going to do exactly the same but on the other side. So we're popping our right leg out to the side, left foot to the inside of the right thigh. Yet again, extending the arms up towards the sun. We're twisting over that leg and coming forward and down, forward and down. So yet again, another couple of minutes on this side. And just stay there. Nice deep breaths. Work on that breath. Focus on releasing. Okay, so nice and gently we're pushing ourselves back up. From here we're going to be popping our legs out in front for Paschimottanasana, a lovely seated forward bend. We're extending the arms up to the ceiling, big stretch up, and forward and down we go. Ideally holding the thumb, the forefinger and thumb around the big toes, and just simply dropping your head down to your mat. Hello, Baxter. Just release. Keep the shoulders down away from those ears. Release any tension in the bottom of your spine. Just let your body sink into the posture. So nice and slowly put your tummy in, we're just uncurling, up we come, and we're finishing our morning yin in lovely shavasana. So lying down, palms facing upwards towards the sky or the ceiling. Tuck your chin into your chest, pop your head back down your mat just to ensure your spine and neck's nice and long. And just relax there. Nice big inhales, exhales through your nostrils. Okay, so we're just gently going to wake our body up now. Wiggling fingers and toes, gently turning those feet out and in all the way from those hip sockets, everything lovely and relaxed. Gently rolling the arms, wrists, hands gently by your body. And lastly, just gently turning your head from side to side. So final of our stretches now, we're popping the feet together. Really big stretch in the fingers and toes. And then exhale the arms down by your side. We're doing that one more time. Really big stretch in the fingers and toes. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Then exhale the arms down by your sides. We're taking the knees to the chest for a fine little hug, a little gentle wobble from side to side, just to give those kidneys a final little massage. And when you're ready, in your own time, we're coming back up to seated. So thank you very much for joining me today for this morning yin class. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below and let me know how you got on. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I greatly appreciate it if you did. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Om Shanti, which is peace.